For process manufacturing businesses, particularly food and pharma manufacturing, there's absolutely no alternative to product safety and quality. But any weak link in the supply chain can adversely affect the delivery of safe and high-quality products, resulting in threat to public health, subsequent product recalls, and irreparable reputational and monetary damage. What's the solution? Traceability. Simply speaking, traceability is the ability to track movement of a product and its ingredients from the source to final disposition at every step of the supply chain, both backward and forward. Let's understand it with an example. Ever wondered how the safe and fresh vegetables reach your table, and if they indeed are safe and fresh enough to eat? Traceability can answer your questions by allowing a single vegetable or a case or pallet of vegetables to be assigned with an identifying tag that carries the information related to the grower, farm, crop, and harvest, and ensuring that the tag stays with those veggies on their journey from farm to the supermarket and finally your table. As the veggies move along the supply chain, the details about the packing date, transportation, warehouse, and retailer, etc. also get added in addition to the original tag, thus allowing for their back and forth traceability and assuring quality. Traceability can be best achieved with an ERP software. An ERP can record and manage data from every point in the supply chain, provide an audit trail, enable the manufacturers to trace and track, and let them know exactly where the non-conformity has happened, so that, when required, they can specifically recall only the affected product lots, retain consumer trust in the brand, and ensure product safety and quality through end-to-end traceability.